Dunkin' Donuts are required to remodel every 10 years and upgrade the facilities and lighting and HVAC or part of that. This they did with some help from the Connecticut Energy Efficiency Fund and did not spend money out of our own pocket. JK Energy Solutions is an energy services company and they help facilities to help reduce energy consumption in their facility. So they walk into a facility and do an assessment and determine what areas they can work on to help them reduce the consumption of electricity or gas. Connecticut Light and Power and Yankee Gas Can actually provide a franchise, a turnkey solution to reduce the energy costs and improve the operating efficiency as well as the comfort of the facility. And more often than not, the aesthetics and the environment are improved at the same time by going with some of the newer high-performing technologies that they utilize in the program. Doug Zepka, Dunkin' Donuts franchise owner, was a little skeptical because he didn't understand why CLP wanted him to use less energy when they were supplying to them. But once they explained to him, it made perfect sense. Doug met with the people from JK Energy Solutions for about 1 hour. They went to all his locations, they completed the audits and they communicated with him on a regular basis. Once they got the approvals back from CL&P, they went ahead and scheduled the work. They are at their largest unit having the HVAC replaced and all the lighting done. It was smooth. JK Energy Solutions Rich Cardita tells customers all the last thing they want to do is getting in the way of conducting business. They are all about making them more efficient. For Dunkin' Donuts, they will work with the franchise in the location to understand the best times to operate. Bottom line is that they are going in there cognizant and aware of the fact that they can't impact Dunkin' Donuts' daily business. Ron Araujo, Connecticut Light and Power and Yankee Gas, says that this is the best thing for their customers because they have gone out through a competition process to select contractors who can provide energy efficiency services to these customers to help them so that way they can stay focused on what they do and they do best. So that way they can make sure that their businesses will continue to be profitable and expand and grow. When JK Energy Solutions does their initial assessment, they basically do a baseline. They take down all the information and understand the parameters within the store and the facility, how it's currently operating. They do an analysis and determine what the appropriate upgrades are. These are typically prescriptive upgrades that are designated by the utilities. They then enter them into a proprietary software system that is for review by the utility. The utility will go through it. Basically, it will make sure that the energy analysis is correct and accurate and ensure that the customer is going to save money and save energy. Then they go back to the customer and give them both an energy saving summary and a financial summary. So they basically sit down with them, discuss the type of measures that they are going to be doing, explain to them how that saves them energy and then show them the financial reasoning behind it. When franchise owner Doug learned that he could replace all the fixtures with brighter modern looking light fixtures and the new state-of-the-art energy efficient HVAC units and not have to write a check out of his pocket, just the savings and the service calls and maintenance cost was big for them. Being able to get rebates for the HVAC equipments and all the lighting and then have the rest of it financed at 0% interest off his electric bills, again, that was a no-brainer. The funds were financed on JK Energy Solutions electric bills to offset the cost of these projects. So then the net cost of the project after that incentive money is typically then financed through the utility on the electric bill for the customer. So it mirrors what they save every month and energy. So it's like the customer didn't spend any money on the project. JK Energy Solutions Rich Cardita often says to his customers they can choose to do this or choose not to do it. Either way, they are going to pay roughly the same amount every month on their utility bill. But they can choose to do this project and upgrade their infrastructure. And at the end of their payback period, when the project is paid for itself, they will simply be left with lower utility bill and have an improved infrastructure. Dunkin' Donuts has a slogan, America runs on Dunkin', and CL&P just wants to make sure that they run more efficiently.